Hi everyone and welcome back to Melody Crochet Nook. My name is Beth and today we are crocheting an amigurumi poop. It's what my son wanted and so we're going to do that today. I have a tutorial up on the television and so I'll be watching that as I crochet. So yeah, as odd as it is, enjoy. So I'm using the Just Chenille yarn from the Dollar Tree. It's the Premier Just Chenille, and I believe it's in the color Cocoa. And I'm using a 5mm hook. So let's get started. All right, my phone is running out of storage, but so far we are at this point, so I'll keep popping in to give you little updates. Okay, so it's getting late here. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to get done of this. I'm hoping to finish it, but here's the poop so far. It looks crooked. Okay, so I just finished the second level of 3, and I'm going to stuff it. And I just need to make sure that it's not firmer or softer than the first layer. I'm going to take some of my stuffing and pack it in there a bit. And with this Just Chenille yarn, it can be a little bit of a challenge to make sure that it doesn't stretch too much. Okay. So this is what we have so far. So then I think we have one more layer that will go up here, and then we'll finish it off, and then I will add a smile.
For the first one.
So yeah, I am finishing it off now. I am finished. I'm just closing up the top hole. And then I will finish with the face. So I'm just kind of making up my own little thing here. It didn't take the shape that I necessarily wanted, so I'm seeing if I can fix that just slightly by how I'm doing, how I'm weaving in the thing. All right, well, it definitely made it a little bit more lumpy, but that's what you would expect. All right. It's not my most beautiful creation I've made, but it is funny and my son will like it. I just need to do the smile. Going to Go in there. Go in there. Come out the bottom. Oh no. I'm not sure about this. It's funny. My son is going to think it's funny. Okay, I think it's great. Then I wanted to see about putting some white behind the eyeballs. The only thing left I need to do Alright. I kind of love it. It's ridiculous, but I definitely Alright. Anyway, thanks for watching me make this little poop. And we'll see you next time. And if you enjoy these type of videos, please like and subscribe, and we'll be back next time for another video. All right, bye.